Hey guys, this is Anis. Welcome back to another unboxing video, and today in this video I'm unboxing TP-Link's new router, 300 Mbps router, and it is comes with regular packaging, but this router is newly designed and new feature. As you can see, here is 4 different mode support and with 5 dBi antenna with AGS setup with theater apps. So it's also support IPv6 supported, which is latest internet protocols. So here is some specifications, and also here's how to feature some feature about this. It's pretty much same as they provide other boxes. So let's check out what's inside. I'm unboxing with my hand because I don't have a knife right now. So okay, plastic wrapping, very soft, and finally, okay, as you can see, package itself, and there is nothing. And first of all, adapter, pretty much same as I previously used, and its output is 5 volt 3 watt. Then its main device, they also provide user guide how to set up. I think I don't need. And they also provide TP-Link UTP cable, very box style design with 2 antenna, 5 dBi. So you can adjust like that. You can adjust like that also. Here's also wrap it with plastics. Okay, I will open it. So inside also very newly designed box type, and here is 3 lead indicator. I think this is one for Wi-Fi signal and it is internet connection, and last one is I think LAN port connections. It has 2 LAN port and 1 ON port. So another one is power port, then reset and WPS button itself. So it's pretty simple. You can mount by here 2 ports, so you can take it on your table or hang on your wall. Very simple design. It support 300 Mbps connections, so you can use more than 8 or 10 device at the same time. It support IPTV. This has new feature like you can print a QR code to share your Wi-Fi, so people get access to a scan QR code. You can turn off this lead light schedually, and also you can turn off connections schedually from your apps. So I will connect to my connections. So first of all, I connected to, okay, then power in, as you can see, turn it on. Then I'm going to set up with my phone, turn on Wi-Fi, then searching for just TP-Link 498. This is my router, so then click here. So it required password, so password will provided by on this downside. My phone connected to the Wi-Fi but no internet. Then I need to scan QR code to download theater apps. As you can see, these TP-Link theater apps to install. So download finish almost, then open. Then it required email or password, so then agree. I already created one account for TP-Links, so I given my email and password. So just log in, and it detect my router automatically. Then okay, it record another password. Then create. After creating, you need to select your connection type. My connection is static IP. Select your one, which network type you using. So then giving my IP address, subnet mask, then DNS, then next, and create network name. I will given my name, then network password, then next. then apply. It takes few minutes to applying settings. Yes, it finished, so I need to connect again. Right, then connect. Yes, it connected and also connected to the network. So here the button, I am connected, so it connected to the internet, like so. As you can see a status. Okay, so very simple to set up and use, so you can manage everything from here. So pretty much that's it all about today. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and subscribe my channel. See you next.